When you open the app for the first time, you need to grant the app necessary permissions. And you can find your location via various ways, such as scan QR code. After then, you will be directed to the sign-in page. Tap the Sign Up button to register a new account if this is your first use of the app. Fill in your first name, last name, email address, the password for the account, and the phone number to receive the verification code. Tick the checkbox in the front, and click Create Account. You can read through the terms and conditions, and privacy policy in blue as needed. Fill in the verification code received in the email and tap the Confirm button. Fill in the verification code received on the phone and tap the Confirm button. After successful registration, it will lead you to the home page of the app and a pop-up window will display successful registration. If you forget the password when you sign in next time, you can click the Forgot Password button to reset your account's password via email or bypass password reset via SMS. Select the phone method to bypass password reset. Enter your phone number. Tap the Submit button, and a verification code will be sent to your phone via SMS. Enter the 4-digit verification code and tap Confirm. Then you will be navigated to the home page of the app. If you have registered before, directly input your email and password. If you want, you can tick Remember Me option to sign in directly next time. Tap the Sign In button to enter the home page of the app. A pop-up window will display unread announcements. Using the Add Funds button on the home page, the customers can add funds to their account easily by the custom amount set by themselves, or by choosing from the preset amounts. In addition, they can enable the auto refill feature. Set the minimum amount. When your balance goes below this amount, funds will automatically be added to your account for immediate use. Set the auto refill amount. The customer can start a machine by two ways: scan the QR code or enter machine number. Confirm the payment with balance or points. The price configurations might vary due to different machine types. The machine will be started, and you can see the cycle status on the home page. The cycle status will also be displayed in Notification Center. Tap the sandwich menu at the top left corner. A menu list will be displayed. For the room status feature, you can check the available machines in the selected room and set up or cancel a machine alert. For the refund request feature, the customer can request a refund to mobile account or to credit card. For the service request feature, The customer can request a service via several ways, such as scan QR code. The customer needs to select their issue type and describe it. For the transaction history feature, you can see the refill history and usage history. Tap the filter button at the upper right corner. You can filter the refill history and usage history. For the refund history feature, the customer can check the refund history, including the refunded value and the refund status. For the edit credit card feature, the customer can register credit card. After successful registration, a notification will show the account number, account balance, and the status of surrounding machines. For the Manage Sub-Accounts feature, invite someone who will do laundry on your behalf with sub-accounts. Funds will be deducted from your account while they provide this service. For the announcement feature, the customer can check the history announcement contents. For the settings feature, the customer can switch the language and enable the biometric login. For the About This app feature, the customer can check the app version and read the related policies. Tap the image icon at the top right corner and select Account. You will be able to manage your current account by changing your account info, adding laundry card, editing credit card, or resetting password. Tap the image icon and select to switch account. You can switch to another account if there is any. You can sign out from the current account by the button Sign Out in the sandwich menu list or the button Sign Out in the image icon.